Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get unlimited coins on the Wizz app. So let me just show you guys. As you can see in the Wizz app, we have 1,387 coins. But when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock, and let's see if it adds the coins to my Wizz app. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this in 2026. So let's wait for it to load, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see, there's the money. So hopefully it starts going up, and let's see what happens to our account. And bang guys, as you can see, it is increasing. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on Wizz. So what you want to do is go to the website matrixmods.com, find the Wizz app, press on it, press download. Before this downloads the mod, there is one more step, and that is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for Wizz. So I have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and I should be good to go. So as you can see, we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So this one's a game. So I just press continue, play it until I reach level 9. So that's pretty easy, guys. But yeah, you just want to make sure you do 2 of the apps, and you should be all good to go. So as you can see, I'm just like playing through this right here. So it's pretty easy. And then I would go back to the list and get another app. So like World Winner or something. You know, there's tons of them to choose from, but that's how to do it, guys. That's how to get unlimited coins on Wizz 2026. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. But yeah, if you guys are broke on Wizz, then try this. Now if we head for the store and type in Wizz, you guys can see it's really expensive. You also do not need the app installed to do this. This is a modded version, but as you can see, it's very expensive. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, make sure you go to settings and you got that background app refresh turned on. Very important that you do that. But other than that, you should be good to go. And also, guys, make sure you go to battery and turn off the low power mode, because that will really hurt your device. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get free coins on Wizz. So yeah, I know a lot of people hate it, but you can see right there, we do have unlimited coins. So it is super cool, guys. This totally works. So if you guys need free coins on Wizz, be sure to try this out right now. 2026 method, guys, for free Wizz coins. So get the word out, guys. It's super cool. This totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. So yeah, once you do that, the mod should download onto your phone. And you can have an anti-ban as well, so you're not going to get banned. But yeah, it's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you want to get a modded version of Wizz, guys, this is how to do it. Just make sure you pick 2 of them. I'm not sure which apps are in your country, because I live in the US, so these are the ones they have for me. But yeah, it's super insane, guys, so I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, my crew. So this actually works, guys. No one can stop you. It is legit. So peace out, guys. If you want to get rich on Wizz today.